And so our next speaker is I'm sorry, we'll mangle your name. So maybe
Satoshi Terasaki.
Very good, thank you. Much appreciated. And we'll be speaking on Let's Read the Julia documentation in your preferred language.
Okay, let's get started. Hello, my name is Satoshi Terasaki. This is linked to this slide. Please scan in advance. And today I'm going to show my Julia package named DocstringTranslation. That is related to the title of my talk. Let's read Julia documentation in your preferred language. Why my talk exists? Julia is sort of the two language programs. This is fast and it is easy to write code like Python. This is great. I want to more people to use Julia. I like Julia and I want more people to use Julia. But this is I have one question, one problem. When you want to learn something about Julia, we need to install English in my brain. This is not a joke. Let's try. Okay, let's install English in my brain. Let's learn English. Error happens. Sorry, English, because I'm Japanese, English is difficult for me. This happens yet another two language problems. Okay, joke is over. And, I know you are in America. There are lots of people who can speak English. So if you are one native speaker, no problem. If you are good at reading English, it's okay, I think. But in this case, you is me, and the this block, I fall into this block because my this language is not equals to English, so it takes a lot of time to understand documentation written in English. If I could, I want to read documentation in Japanese in this case. Because this is why I need to explain the why. The number of Japanese who use English there is limited. We Japanese use Japanese to read, write, listen, discuss something in Japanese. So that's why I created the DocstringTranslation.jl package. Just translate docstring into any language. Okay, let's try translate the simplify function. If you want to know about the EX function, what is EXP? I know the explanation function. According to the docstring, it computes the natural basic expansion of x. In other words, e to the x. Okay, let's translate Japanese. Goma-chan, could you do this? Okay. Here's the result. To reproduce my result, we need to prepare OpenAI API key because it works OpenAI behind the scenes. And please add my package, Docstring Translation. Just add a package, that add a Docstring Translation. The key concept is my package is the switch lang bound macro. We specify JA. JA means language code of Japanese. So we can set as Japanese or Spanish, Hindi, anything. So the result is out to be something like this. Let's compare the original and the translated one. As you can see, it is translated into Japanese and while keeping Markdown structure. Okay, let's see another example. Okay. This is not a joke. Let's start. Load Docstring translation, switch rank to Java. Sign function is translated. If you want to eigenfunction, the Spanish output, and Hindi we got. Okay, this is not a joke, and demo is over. Okay, you may wondering how it works. I'm hacking, actually I'm hacking Docs.parsedoc, the current docstring method. This is a main line I modified. In this line, I inject a translation engine. Here, this is a markdown object. This MD is passed to translate docstring with OpenAI MD. The left-hand side is a translate result. The object is assigned to D.object. It works. For more details, please refer the actual implementation. Actually, this is so messy. So actually, this method overriding the existing method is called type piracy. So this is not good practice, but benefits outweigh drawbacks. This is a trade-off. Here is an example displaying eigenfunction, the docstrings of eigenfunction in Spanish. Here is a result of displaying docstring of eigenfunction in Japanese. So if you teach something to Japanese, please use this package. And the application, you may be wondering, we have shown that we can translate docstring into any language. You may be wondering, can we translate documentation built with Documenter.jl? So answer is easy. Let's see the example. This is Docs/make.jl. Docs/make.jl. So this is special function. This comes from special functions. We only have to insert the 3 lines of code. Just load docstring translation and switch line macro. And this is just technical reason. We do not have to ignore. We don't have to insert it. Okay, here is a result of translation of Documenter.jl based documentation. The left-hand side explains the gamma function. This is the original edition. The right side shows a translated Japanese translated result. It is translated and keeping Markdown structure. Okay, so furthermore, we can translate the official junior documentation in any other language. Let's see. I have prepared lots of lists. Let's see. Francais. Okay. You can see, if you know about Francais, this is translated in Francais. Les calculs, sorry, I can't. So, désolé, monsieur, je ne parle pas français. So, when I touch the performance tips, it jumps translated page not original one. So we can learn Julia language in French. Likewise, go to Japanese. We can learn Julia in Japanese. Okay, and my documentation, my docstring translation adapts OpenAI backend. Technically, we can inject any kind of translation engine. I have prepared lots of various packages. If you have time, please use this. Okay, let's summarize my talk. I introduced Docstring translation, enable machine learning support for documentation. I believe it solves yet another two-language problem. Thank you. Please try my package.